Hello again, this is the second part of operator in this sorry. Hello again, this is the second part of operator. In previous video we will discuss about what are operator and what are the arithmetic operator, and in this video I'm going to discuss about relational operators in Java. Okay, first of all, again the definition of operators, the quick review. Operator are the special symbols character that carry out the operation on operands, and operands are like variables and values. Further, in case of relational operator, like less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, equality, not equality operators, and here the symbol and the operators. Relational operator also work on two operands, and these are the list of relational operator. The first one is less than returns a true value. Again, each and every one is returned boolean type value. Okay, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to. It check the equality of two operands, and not equals to. It also check the equality that the two operands are not equal to each other, then it returns true. Further, the last one is instance of. Instance of is the comparison that the object exists on its left hand side over here. For example, the object here on the left hand side of instance of operator, and the class written on this side, it checks that the object is the instance of that class or not. If the object is the instance of that class, that means then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay, let me open my notepad. Now this is my notepad plus again, and this is my class relational operator, and that is the public static void main, and these are the two variable, again int a is equal to 2 and int b is equal to 15. So, and first of all, let me save this file. I'm going to save this file as the name of the class name, that is relational operator. Copy it, click on save button, give that name over here, and with .java extension, save it. Now let's see first of all less than operator. For that, system dot out dot sorry print ln. I want to check it for less than operator. Then for this, okay, bracketed a is less than b. Further copy it, and here it paste. Now greater than, greater, for this let me greater than, and again less than, equals to, equals, I put equality assignment operator over here, and greater than, equals to, greater than, sorry, greater equals to. Okay, now these are the four basic. Let me check it first. For that, let me open my command prompt. Here, click Java C, that is relational operator.java, my source file, and click enter it. No error message. Now Java relational operator. I do not need that .class extension. And okay, now let's see. Here in our code, that variable a contain numeric value 2, integer value 2, that is, and b contain 15. Now I check it for a is less than b. Okay, a has 2 and b is 15, that is true. Once greater than, a is greater than b, no, that is not true, that is false, because a has value 2 and b contains 15. After that, less than equal to work in case of if that a is also contain 15, then 15 is less than equal to 15, that is true. But a is here, a is holding lesser value than b, then it is again true. Okay, Here I did a mistake over here. It should be greater than, like this. Save it again, and let me compile it first. And okay, now here a is greater than b. If now it is become false over here. If now I write here like 15, what will be happen over here? Let it check again. Compile and execute. Now my both variables holding the similar value, that is 15. In the first case, it is and a is less than b, that is false. A is greater than b, that is again false. Now a is less than equal to b, it is true, and a is greater than equal to b, it is also true. So if value is both the variables holding the same value, then the less than equal to or greater than equal to returns the same result. Okay, now what we left with equality operator. Okay, let me copy this statement again. Now I check for equality operator. For that I put here equal to symbol and non-equality here, and no non-equality type here, then a exclamatory sign over here. Then save it. Again go to my command prompt, clear the screen, compile it first and then execute it. Okay, now we are going to see related to these two outputs. Here again a and b holding this equal amount of value, then a equal to b return give us true, and a is not equal to b give us false. If I change that particular value from here, like I remove 1 from a and again go to command prompt, compile and execute it, then the result will change. Now in this case, in case of equal to sign, it returns me false value, and non equal to sign, it return me true value. So if the values are different, then result may vary. Equality sign give me the boolean false result, and non equal to sign give me boolean true result. And now here we have with our last relational operator. That operator need a object of this class. For example, I make an object from our class, that is relational operator. Relational operator, that is my class, and that is object ro is equal to new is operator, and again relational operator is my constructor. Now I check it for the instance, like our thing operator is instance of this is on the left hand side. I have to put that object, that ro, and on the right hand side name of the class from which that object is generated. For example, let me copy it. Relational operator is my class from which that object is created. Now this full statement also return me the boolean value, so I can store that value in some boolean variable also. Boolean where is a variable, and I put that variable to system out println. Okay, copy it to save a little bit time of typing. Now instance of value for which is stored in where variable. Okay, now save. Again clear the screen, compile it first and then execute it. Now here you can see that instance of variable also return me a true value which was stored in the where variable here, and these are our relational operators. We can use these relational operators in next coming videos, where we using decision making statement where that accept some boolean result equations or values, in which these kind of relational operators are always used. Relational operator as well as sometime uh, logical operators, and the combination of both type of operators are used in case of decision making statements. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. and to watch the next video. Thank you.